Encountering 5G not available on your AT&T device can be frustrating. This often means your phone can't connect to the 5G network. The reasons range from your location having weak or no 5G coverage to device incompatibility, network congestion, or even temporary outages. AT&T's 5G network utilizes a mix of spectrum bands: low band for broad coverage, mid-band, C-band for faster speeds in suburban areas, and high band, mmWave, for ultra-fast speeds in dense urban areas. Understanding these factors is the first step in troubleshooting. Before diving into more complex solutions, try these quick fixes. First, toggle airplane mode on for about 15 seconds, then turn it off. This forces your phone to reconnect to the network. If that doesn't work, reset your network settings. On most phones, you can find this option in Settings under General Management or Connections, then Reset, and finally Reset Network Settings. Note that this will erase saved Wi-Fi passwords, so be sure to have those handy. These steps often resolve temporary glitches preventing 5G connectivity. First, ensure your smartphone is 5G compatible. Older phones lacking a 5G modem simply won't connect to AT&T's 5G network. Even if your phone has 5G capability, it needs to support the specific 5G frequency bands that AT&T uses in your location. To check compatibility, review your phone's specifications online at the manufacturer's website or look in your device's settings menu. Also, ensure your phone's software is current. Carriers and manufacturers regularly release updates that enhance network performance and resolve connectivity issues. To update your software, navigate to Settings, then Software Update, and install any available updates. This process helps maintain optimal 5G connectivity with AT&T. AT&T's My AT&T app is a valuable tool for diagnosing connectivity issues. Download and open the app to get started. Once open, navigate to the Support section in the app menu. The app can run signal diagnostics to identify problems with your connection and suggest solutions. It can also report outages in your area and offer personalized troubleshooting steps based on your account and device, helping narrow down the cause of the 5G not available message. AT&T's 5G network uses different spectrum bands, each with unique characteristics that affect coverage and speed. Low-band 5G at 600 MHz provides the widest coverage area but offers relatively slower speeds, making it ideal for broad rural reach. Mid-band 5G, particularly the 2.5 GHz C-band, offers a good balance between speed and coverage, serving suburban and urban areas effectively. High-band 5G, or mmWave at 28 or 39 GHz, delivers the fastest speeds but has very limited range and is easily blocked by buildings or other obstacles. The 5G not available message often appears when you are outside the range of the specific 5G band your device is trying to connect to. Understanding these spectrum limitations explains why 5G coverage can be spotty, especially indoors or in rural areas where signals are more easily obstructed. Rural areas often face challenges with 5G coverage due to infrastructure limitations. Cell towers are spaced farther apart in rural regions, leading to weaker signals and coverage gaps. To troubleshoot, position yourself with clear line of sight to the nearest tower if possible. This can help improve signal strength. Check AT&T's coverage map to understand 5G availability in your specific location. As AT&T continues to expand its 5G network, coverage should improve. In the meantime, consider using Wi-Fi calling when available to maintain connectivity. If the previous steps haven't resolved the issue, contact AT&T support. They can provide specific troubleshooting steps based on your location and account, and check for any network issues in your area. Before calling, gather information like your device model, location, and any error messages you've encountered. AT&T support may also be able to provide information about planned network upgrades in your area that could improve 5G coverage. AT&T is actively working to improve its 5G network and expand coverage. They are investing in fiber backhaul to reduce latency and piloting 6G concepts for future integration. By 2027, AT&T aims for full standalone 5G, eliminating reliance on 4G LTE and resolving many not available issues. Keep an eye on AT&T's announcements for updates on coverage expansion and technological advancements. These improvements should lead to more reliable and widespread 5G access in the coming years.